guys, I just want to come in and show us our quick outfit of the day. I'm gonna do Nevaeh first because she always interrupts me. Come here, show them what you're wearing. We're going to her Nana's house. She's just wearing her Minnie Mouse dress. She's not wearing this tutu, but she just put it on. And then she has her little necklace. This is from my baby shower, and Nevaeh still plays with it. Let me see it. Oh, let me see who's on your bow. Stop, Nevaeh. Who's on your bow?
Aurora.
Aurora. And let me see your back. Let me see how I did your hair. Turn all the way. I did her 2 ponytails. Look at these curls, you guys. She has such beautiful hair. And then, yeah, and then today for her shoes, she's going to be wearing her little pink sandals. And then for me, she doesn't have no clothes and put her clothes on and I'll show her. And then for my shirt, well, for my outfit, I'm wearing, it says True Love's Kiss Breaks Any Curse. So this is from the Once Upon a Time series. So you guys see that. And then I'm wearing these shorts, which you guys saw in my follows haul. I love the studs and the zipper. They're super comfortable, super cute. And then for shoes, as you guys can see right here next to Nevaeh's potty, I'm wearing my Aldo sandals. And then today I did a fresh mani-pedi, because you know it's the weekend. I like to try to at least do my nails, do my makeup, whatever. This palette I'm wearing from BeautyCon, and I don't know, I'm breaking out, or I don't know if that time of the month is coming. I don't know. So anyways, let me know what you guys think about this outfit. And I just have like a black tank paired under because it's kind of like a low cut shirt. But yeah, we're going to her Nana's house, and I don't know if we're gonna go swimming or not. I guess we'll see when we go over there, and talk to you guys later. And Nevaeh had to do outfit of the day for Elena. This is her newest Elena that my parents got for her, and she sings. Can you make her sing? I don't hear her sing. Right here she is singing. So yeah, she sings. She did get Elena for her birthday, but this one is better because she sings and everything. So yeah, but we're gonna wait for my husband to wake up and get ready, and then we're heading out. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. It looks the same as all my other makeup, but I like easy makeup. But yeah. So I just filmed my Simply LA giveaway, which you guys probably have already seen because I'm uploading this vlog after my giveaway. But yeah, I'm super excited for the winner. So you guys make sure you guys subscribe, thumbs it up, and may the best subscriber win.
Specialize in preparing students for careers of impact. We're a model of academic rigor.
So we are back home from my parents' house, and we went to visit them. They got a new place. I'm super excited. And yeah, so we went there. I didn't vlog. We even went to my in-laws on Saturday. I didn't vlog over there either. Just spending time with family. Didn't want to, you know, bring the camera out. But I did want to do a quick haul and show you guys what my parents got for Nevaeh. All this stuff is from Old Navy, brand new. And I'm just super excited. But all this stuff is for T. Obviously, you guys know next year she will be 4 in May. So we're definitely going to put these up probably for next summer. But I just love it. So first we're going to start off with these pants. Look at these pants. 14. Look at this. Super cute. You like these, baby?
Yeah.
And these retail at Old Navy for $12.94. I really do like those. Super cute. Next is this dress, which is also for T as well, and this just has a bunch of ladybugs on it, which I thought was super cute. You like this one, baby? You want to wear it? And it did come with like a little button just in case like buttons come off from the back. Super cute. Next is this black dress, which is you want to wear this one? The flower one looks like this with polka dots on the top. I just love it. She want to wear it right now. It's gonna be a little big, you guys, because she still wears a 3T. Obviously, she turned 3 in May, but she want to wear these now. And last but not least is this dress. Oh, this dress is actually a 3T. I just noticed that. She could wear this now if she wanted. This is 3T. I didn't realize that. All the rest are 4T. This one is 3T, and this one is like has like flowers. I'm not sure what this design is, but it's a little cute dress. So that's it for this haul. You want to hold hold it, show the people. Is that all your clothes? Oh, all your clothes. So she loved it. I did her little pigtails today, but she could not wait to do this haul. She really wanted to do this haul. So yeah, that's her new clothes. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, join or enter my giveaway that's going up right now, you guys. I will be picking the winner. So yeah, thank you for watching. Look at your two buns. You can do two buns. Minnie Mouse, say bye. Blow kiss. Do it right. Do it right, Nevaeh. Come on, say bye. Blow kiss. Nevaeh, come on. You guys shouldn't. She couldn't wait. She wanted to put this one. You like it? This was the smallest one, the 3T one. You can wear this one right now. Oh, say bye bye. Oh. Okay, tell them bye. Tell them see you in the next video. Say see you in the next video. Say see you in the next video. Say see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
You want to end it?
Here we go.
Joe wanted the shiny new Supervine 3000 more than anything. More than anything else, you could imagine. The Supervine 3000 was long and springy, and Joe knew that he had one. He could do the loop-de-loop.
The only time that I feel like
He asked his dad to buy him the Super.
The loop-de-loop. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the car right now. Just got in here. For those of you who don't know, I'm now doing a Postmates. I'm a Postmates driver. Here's my little bag right here, as you guys can see. And I'm just chilling in the car actually. Like, you just have to sit and wait until you guys get a notification for a delivery. It's hot as heck out here, but I have the windows on because I don't want to waste gas. But you guys, I'm on this bonus. I have to get 30 deliveries. It was supposed to be for 8 days, but I've been so busy with family that I'm like down to 3 days. So I have to get 30 deliveries in 3 days for $250. So I only have done 1 delivery so far, and I'm just trying to hurry up and get the rest of these. Aren't y'all hungry out here? Like, I don't understand. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Workflow. So tired. Who's your dress? Is it Monsters High?
Yeah, I like him.
Let me see your hair. Look how pretty your hair. Oh my goodness. Oh, you swing it. Oh my goodness. You just swinging that hair. Oh. Let me see you. Let me see. Beautiful. You look so beautiful. You want to go show everybody your new bed? Let's go see. Is this your new bed? What'd you say?
It's so comfy.
It's so comfy. So you guys, this was her mattress and sheet from her crib, and we were like, why are we gonna buy a whole new set when she has her little Hello Kitty? Even though it doesn't match, but yeah, Hello Kitty. But yeah, so the front has Daisy on it, and it is a canopy bed, and I just loved it when I saw this. It has Minnie and Daisy on it, and then I tied the little bows on the corner. I know. And then the bottom is purple. Then there's Minnie right here. And I just think it's super cute. I just love it, you guys. And there are different ones. And Daisy right here. There's different ones. But, oh yeah, in the front. The top is a little ratchet because I did put the canopy up by myself. But I just really, really love the bed. And Nevaeh is like obsessed. And yeah. Nevaeh, let me see you get in your bed. How do you get in it? Not from... No, but you gonna jump. Ah! How do you sleep? You gonna go sleep? How do you take a nap? And you guys, this is her little blankie. So like I said, we just kept the Hello Kitty sheet. And then her uncle, Mono, actually got her this little Minnie Mouse blankie. So we're like, we're not gonna buy her whole new Minnie Mouse comforter set because she had just got this really, really nice blankie for her 3rd birthday. So I'm like, what are the odds she gets this Minnie Mouse blanket and it matches perfectly with this bed? And now she's showing you guys how she naps. You guys, I love it. So I'm not gonna do a full room tour because the room's not done yet, but yeah, I'm not gonna do a full room tour because the room is not finished yet. But I just want to go ahead and show you guys how her bed looks because I just could not. We just loved it. So yeah, stay tuned. This is just the bed, guys, and this is the pillow we're using. If you guys have seen in one of my older vlogs, you guys could go search our bed set that we got when it was new, and those are the pillows that came with. They came with 2 black pillows and then 1 pillow that said blessed. So she's just gonna use that for her bed. Like I said, we didn't think we need to buy a whole new comforter set with pillows because we already had it. So she's just gonna go ahead and sleep with this. She couldn't wait. She wanted me to go get the pillow to show you guys how she's gonna sleep. And it's the morning time, so obviously she still has her pajamas on.
You have pajamas?
Yeah, you have your Monster High pajamas. I just love your hair. Okay, night.
Nice.
See you later. Hey guys, so we're in the car right now. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings. Are you excited? Okay, she's not excited, but anyway.
I'm excited.
You're excited? I feel like I'm getting sick, you guys. My chest. But anyways, we're about to go. This is our first time I think we've gone to this location that's closer to our house. Yeah, so I'm excited about it. Everybody's first time with us. Me and my husband have gone like a long time ago to this location, but I'm excited, babe. What about you? Oh yeah. Look at my babe. Let me see your jersey, babe. Can you turn it over?
Chargers.
And who got you that hat?
Hadassah.
Yes, I did. So yeah, he's at Chargers decked out, and yeah, we're gonna go to support the LA Chargers. They're LA now, so I don't want to hear nobody's mouth. And yeah, they're in LA now. You say, let's go Chargers. Let's go Chargers. Alright guys, we'll see you guys there. Yeah, right here. Yes, front parking, perfect. You guys, we got our food. I got my barbecue burger. Nevaeh got a cheeseburger. I'm drinking a Bahama Mama, which is bomb. They didn't give me my cherry though. And my babe has a Corona. Oh, and Nevaeh has fruit juice. Nevaeh. Okay, babe.
Cheers for the
Do your drink. Do your drink. No, get this one. Hold this one. Babe. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Right here. Nevaeh. Cheers. Yeah, this is what we have to do for Nevaeh. Nevaeh. Hey guys, so I'm back home now from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I just want to go ahead and close out today's vlog. This vlog was actually a couple days like put into one vlog because we've been so busy that I haven't had the time to just vlog properly. So sorry for that. Vlogs will be back to scheduled this next week. I don't know if I'll have any vlogs up the rest of the week. I know this vlog will be up Monday. The rest of the week I'm not sure if I'll be posting anything, and I do have an event next week, and so I'm so excited for that vlog. But you guys, I just have been so busy working, doing house stuff, family stuff, we're planning trips. Just it's been a lot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe already, or make sure you subscribe. I'm so tired, you guys. Today's been such a long day. I'm like, it's 5 p.m. right now and I'm just exhausted. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you enter my giveaway that's up right now. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.